everybody. We have another Engage video here for you, and this is based on questions that we've been getting asking about foreign language inclusion. Awesome, absolutely fabulous. So happy to be talking about this. Yes, there are definitely some options that are available to you that really help with that immersion experience. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually looking at my Engage platform. So I'm just in a general page. As I kind of move around, you can see, all of my information, and of course, just entering it in. Kind of first off, it's going to be in English. So if we want to go ahead and translate this into a foreign language, because again, like I said, we're getting a lot of questions about that, trying to amp up the immersion experience, it is very easy to do. So I'm working in a Chrome browser, which makes it even easier. For those of you that may use Edge or something else, there's of course apps that you can download that can work with that, but a lot of you I know are already in Chrome, so we're going to go ahead and explore that. So first things first, looking at the upper right hand corner of my browser, you can see all of my extensions hanging out, and you can see that I pinned the Google Translate extension up here. So all I have to do is give that a little click, and I'm going to have two options. I could translate a word, or I can go ahead and translate this page. And that's exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and click translate this page. And then what you're going to do is you're actually going to get another banner that's going to pop up in a moment, and it will give you a whole host of foreign languages that you can choose from to translate. So you can see it's popped up. There's my little translation banner. Right away, it switched over to German. So here's a little hint. That's what I was working with here. But if you want to switch to something else, there's this little drop down, and you got a few options. See, it's all about the options, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with German because that's something I can actually navigate, so that way I don't get lost. But now you can see the entire welcome screen. My Engage platform has translated over to German. So we're going auf Deutsch today, which is fantastic. And I'll say, even as I start clicking into all of my different accessory options here, they too translate over. So really, really nice. Anything that is web-based part of this platform is automatically going to translate. So we looked at my tools. We're going to go over into our gizmos. You can see that switches over. And now we're working in animals. And so, maybe you want your students, you're talking about colors, find an animal that's brown. And of course, you can do everything in the language that you're focusing on, but you could have them pull additional things in. But just really nice that whatever accessories that you start including, they are going to be translating over. So really, really fun. Another question when it comes to working in foreign languages is, hey, I want to be able to write in a foreign language. So maybe we're doing text boxes and things like that, and you may need special characters. Have no fear, there's an option for that too. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to look at the bottom right-hand corner of my computer. So this little toolbar down here, if I do a little right click, I can show my touch keyboard button, and I can see I have my little keyboard here. You also see that it says English. If I tap that, I've actually downloaded the German keyboard. So I can switch my keyboard to the Deutsches keyboard, and now I've got my umlauts, I've got my S set, and everything I need to start typing in my foreign language. And I'll say even the location of some of the letters, just obviously, I'm dealing with some different characters, has changed. So really, really nice. As you go through, your students can have a full immersion experience as you start doing things in a foreign language. So hopefully that was helpful. Just, one final thing, when you want to go back to English, it's really easy. All you have to do is just close your translate bar and everything switches back over. So easy to activate, easy to deactivate. Keep the questions coming. You guys are amazing. And we definitely want to build our library based on what you want to see. So hopefully you're all having a great day, and we'll talk again soon. Take care.